Hi! Do you want to learn how to make some fun massage bars? If you do, just stay tuned. We're going to use some cocoa butter, argan oil, avocado oil, all kinds of fun things, and we're going to use some edible gold leaf. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get some gloves so they're all nice and clean when you're making these. If you're giving these as a gift, especially, you want to make sure everything's nice and clean. You're going to get your mixing container, some kind of a little mold that you want to put your massage bars in. I'm going to use these heart molds, and yes, they are clean, you just can't get the gold out after you put it in there. Then you're going to get all your oils and your butters. I'm going to put the recipe down in the description below, so you'll have all of the things that you'll need to make this recipe. You can get things like this off of Amazon. You can get all the ingredients off of Amazon, or if you have a different supplier you like to use, you can use that. And let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we're putting our gloves on. Try not to dip them in the oil. Okay, so this is our avocado oil. We're going to put that in our little mixing container. And this is our argan oil. We will put that in. And this is, this is 30 grams of avocado oil. And this is 15 grams of argan oil. And this is 15 grams of cocoa butter. This is 15 grams of mango butter. And this is 30 grams of Candelilla, I have no idea how to say this, Candelilla Wax, or something like that. It's a vegan wax. And a good wax. It works really nice. And it's vegan, so let's put that in there. Okay, so now what you want to do is melt this. You can melt it on a burner if you have a scientific lab that you're going to make this in. You can use your microwave. Be very careful when you take it out of the microwave so you don't burn your fingers. Or you can use a double boiler. So you put a pan of water on the stove, put this in the water, and it'll melt. I'm going to go melt this with my desired choice. You can do however you want to do it. And we'll meet back here to make the massage bars. And we're back. So we've melted all our butters, our waxes, and what we've learned about this is that it doesn't take very long to melt, and it's kind of hot. So anyway, here's our little molds. These are all, you can get this is a Wilton mold. You can probably get that at like Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabric, Amazon. And I can't get this open. Okay, so you can also get this. Make sure you get the edible gold leaf sheets, because if you get the other ones, they are not going to work for this project. So they come like this in a little packet, and when you open it up, it has a little sheet of gold. Oops, likes to stick to you and not to where you want it to go. We're just going to put that in our mold, kind of press it down so it gets in the little grooves. And you can use as much as you want. So if you want to use one sheet per bar, you want to use half a sheet, your choice. Okay, so that's in there, pretty. And now we're going to pour our mixture, massage bar mixture, over the top. And just do it gently, just so the gold leaf doesn't melt and float to the top, which some of it's going to, you just have to live with that, but that's life. Okay, so you have one completed massage bar. Congratulations! Now just repeat that until your mixture is gone, and then you have to let them set till they get hard. I usually just leave them overnight. That's the best option. If you want to rush it, say you need this done really quickly, you need a last minute gift, pop this in the refrigerator or the freezer. It usually only takes, if it's in the refrigerator, like 20 minutes. It'll be nice and solid. Freezer a little faster, depending on how cold your freezer is. Take them out. You're still going to want them to come to room temperature before you gift them. Get nice and dry. The best option is just to let them get hard and solid on their own. You can already, this one is already I don't know if you can see that, but this one's already starting to get hard. It's kind of cold in this room, so It's gonna get hard pretty fast. I would guess probably in like the next hour it'll be nice and solid. So best option is just to let them do their thing on their own, but if you need it last minute, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. So I'm gonna leave this for a while, then pop it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here you can see how it's kind of starting to set up a little bit around the edges. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, so it's gonna get hard pretty quickly here. And also some of the gold is floating, but I think that's really pretty. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, it's time to unmold and package our massage lotion, whatever we're talking about. And I just want to say, look at my amazing skills here with the massage bar. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this, but I don't know if you can see it. But it's all nice and rounded on the edge, and that's because I didn't overfill my mold on these three, and the mold was kind of cold because this room is cold. So just want to point out how amazing those three turned out. Anyway, ta-da! And my gold application skills did get better the more I did these, so ta-da! Ta-da! And this was just my little extra leftover. I didn't put any gold in that one. But it looks really nice. Maybe, you know, if you don't have the edible gold, just do it without the gold. It still looks nice. Whoa, slippery. And that one also didn't have any gold because I forgot. Okay, anyway, time for the little swatchy test. Let's do this one because that was the first one I made. So, I didn't get the gold that great on this one. So, this is going to be mine. Oops. I have a lot. I already have some on me. Okay. And it's nice, very smooth. So I think this is gonna last a long time. You know, if you can only make a few of these, that's fine. Because they're gonna last forever, basically. But it's really nice. I mean, it's definitely, I don't know why I'm still wearing the glove. It's kind of weird. Okay. So yeah, very moisturizing, very nice. Good massage bar. Or if you don't want a massage bar, it makes a nice lotion bar. It's a little extra lotiony for winter, so that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna package these. So I have two options here. I have a clear little cello. Is this cello? Yeah, this is cello, right? Okay, because glacine's the one that you can't see through. Okay. Anyway, and then I have these cute little heart bags. Okay, so I also made this adorable printable, which I was gonna share with you guys, but you'd have to have these heart stickers and that would be kind of complicated. So anyway, why did I do that? Let's see, I'm gonna put this one in there. So one gold one and one not gold one. Maybe three. It'll look better with three. Okay, we're gonna do this. Maybe it looks better with... Okay, that looks cute. Ah! Ta-da! Very cute, right? Ready to give us a gift, and for this bag. So this bag's a little bigger and it's kind of more awkward. I actually like the other bag a lot better. But let me see here. Other words to describe it that I can think of. So let's see. We'll put the sticker on. It makes all the difference. Ta-da! Okay, that's still really cute. Ta-da! Okay, I'm really liking these a lot. So anyway, there are 2 massage bars, and very cute. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see me make more things like this and share recipes and tutorials and things like that, I would love to do that, but I just need to know if you like it. So let me know, and subscribe, like this so I know that someone watched it, and thanks for watching. Hope your massage bar / lotion bar is successful, and I don't know, have a great February, guys. Edible gold leaf. What is it? The thing that's cold? Oh, refrigerator. Tibby's being right. Tibby, lie down.